My name is Adam Erhart and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, the worst business growth strategy ever. The clock is ticking. When I first got started in business, I did pretty much anything and everything to help my business grow. I went to those networking events where, shockingly, people seemed to be more interested in growing their businesses than mine. I reached out to friends and family and other previous clients that I had, which at the time were very low, for referrals, and shockingly again, referrals didn't exactly come flooding in, and when they did, it was feast or famine, and more often than not in the beginning, closer to famine. And I sent cold emails, I did direct mail, I went door knocking, I did pretty much everything that they suggest you do in the early days of business. Now, did it work? I guess it kind of worked. After all, I was surviving at the time, and I did eventually manage to grow, but it wasn't until I got rid of those terrible strategies. The strategies of networking and referrals as a way to build the business. Because when you do networking and when you do referrals as the primary marketing method for your business, you're essentially participating in hope marketing, which means you're hoping that other people are going to build the business for you. So what is the alternative to hope marketing? Well, it's actually really simple. It's not fancy, it's not sexy, and it's not overly complicated. It all comes down to having a simple and scalable system, one that involves both content and promotion to grow your business. You see, when you're able to directly turn on the flow or turn off the flow of leads, you're in control, which means that you can dictate the size and growth of your company and whatever it is that you want to achieve, and it all ultimately comes down to you rather than relying on other people, which again is a terrible strategy because they're simply never going to care as much about your business as you do. So again, the strategy that I use to make more in a month than I used to in an entire year all comes down to content and promotion. Put those two pieces together and you've got the recipe for success.